Hello, my superstars, and welcome back to our exciting journey into the science. Today, we will explore chapter number second, diversity in the living world. By the end of this season, we will learn about biodiversity, the variety of life, how to group plants and animals, and understand the surroundings where they live. Let us recall what we already know. Plants are found almost everywhere, from gardens to forests. We can group them based on their size and structure into herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers, and climbers. Also, every plant has two main parts, the root system, which is present under the ground, and the shoot system above the ground. The core idea of this chapter is biodiversity. Have you noticed how plants in a park look different from those in a forest or near pond? This variety in plants in their stems, leaves, flowers is what we call biodiversity. For example, a mango tree looks very different from a rose plant or grass. Observing biodiversity and interdependency. To observe different types of plants, go for a nature walk and fill a table with observation. Firstly, you look the local name of the plant and then what type of stem, it will be hard or soft, or color will be green or brown. You should look how the leaves look, shape, arrangement, and look into flowers, which color, white or colored, and include other features. For example, a coriander plant has a soft green stem and small leaves, while a neem tree has a hard brown stem and broad leaves. Just like plants, animals also show great diversity. You can observe what they eat, how they move, and their unique features. For example, a sparrow eats grains and flies, while an earthworm eats soil and crawls. Then, what is the definition of biodiversity? So, biodiversity means the variety of animals, things in a area. Plants and animals depend on each other. Plants give animals food, shelter, and oxygen, and then animal gives plants carbon dioxide and help in pollination and seed displacement. This interdependence is crucial for nature's balance. Then grouping of plants is herbs, shrubs, trees to study the similarities and dissimilarities between plants. They will grouped. The classification based on structure and size. The herbs having short plants, thin and soft and green stems, and do not have many branches in herbs. For example, coriander, sunflower, and wheat. In shrubs, they are medium-sized plants. Their stems having brown, hard, and thicker than herbs, and they also having many branches arise near the base of the plant. Examples are rose, jasmine, lemon. These are the shrubs. Then last one is trees. Trees are tall plants having a size 40 to 60 meters. They are same having brown, very thick and hard. The same is also called trunk. They have many branches arise from the upper part of the same. Example mango, neem and peel. Here is some pictures. This is a coriander and this is a rose and this is mango tree. Coriander having herb, rose having shrub and mango having tree. Then we have another activity to observe and classify plants in your school garden. In your school garden, there are different number of plants. You should give their name in first column, then height, same type, branches, and classification like herb, shrub, and tree for your activity purpose. Then we should go through the creepers and climbers. Plants with weak stems. These are the creepers and climbers. Creepers plants with weak stems that spreads on ground. These will be spread in ground. Examples are pumpkin and watermelon. And climbers are the plants with weak stems that climb up a support with tendrils. The examples are pea plant, money plant. Then we go to the next point is root system. Roots are very important part of plant. They anchor the plant. Anchor means they fix the plant firmly in the soil and they absorb water and minerals from soil which is needed for the growth purpose for the plant and it prevents of soil erosion and hold the soil together. If a plant has no root, it cannot stand straight or get water. Then to demonstrate the root absorb water, we go through the one activity. Let's do an activity. Take two plants, one with roots and one without roots. Water both. You will see the plant with roots stays green while the other wells. This shows roots are essential for absorbing water. Then types of roots. There are two main types that is uh, taproot system has one main root example mango carrot. Fibrous root system has many thin roots like grass and weed. In taproot system grow deep into the soil with smaller tiny lateral roots. Smaller lateral roots branches out and in fibrous root thread like roots of almost equal size that arise from the base of the stem where base of the stem like this from the base but in the taproot system one main root and these are the lateral roots. They are small in size. Then we go to the shoot system and leaf parts. What is shoot system? It consists of all parts of the plant above the ground. From ground, which are the present upper side, these are the shoot system. It includes stems, leaves, flowers, and fruit. What is the parts of the leaf? That is petals, the stalk that connects the leaf to the stem. These are the petals. They connect leaf with the stem. Lamina, leaf blade, the broad, flat, green part of the leaf. This green part is known as leaf lamina or leaf blade, sorry. And midrib, the main central vein of the leaf. This is the main central midrib vein, central vein, and side veins, smaller veins that arise from the midrib. They transport water and food and provide support. The main ribs having sub veins. These are the sub veins. This provides water and food to the last end of the cell with the help of side veins. Then there are um, hydroponics and desert moss. These are the two techniques. Hydroponics is a technique to grow plants without soil. It do not require soil. They will grow in directly in water. The minerals and essential nutrition will be absorbed from that direct water. Leaves of desert moss can extract water from the air. In desert, these desert moss will absorb water from desert air. Then leaf venation, the pattern formed by the veins in leaf. There are two types of leaf venation, that is reticulate venation and parallel venation. What is meant by reticulate venation? Veins form a net-like pattern on both sides of the midrib. This is an midrib and both sides. This is an left side of midrib and this is an right side of midrib. Both sides having a venation net-like pattern. Net-like means web type. Some examples are neem, rose, and tea having a reticulate venation. Then what is associated with whenever the reticulate venation is present in that plant, their root system is taproot system. And what is the parallel venation? Veins run parallel to each other. The veins will be parallel to each other. And examples are grass, banana, plant. These are the parallel, these plants having parallel venation system. Whenever the parallel venation system is present, their root system is fibrous root system. Then next is then experiment. In this, to identify the relationship between leaf venation and root system. Earlier we have discussed the observation saplings and record the plant name, type of leaf venation and type of root. Conclusion is plants with parallel venation have fibrous root and plants with reticulate venation have taproot system like this, roots having and leaf having. These are the parallel venations. These leaves have parallel venation which having a fibrous root from base will be same length, and in reticulate venation there is taproot system. Then here is our last point of our day. There is a function of leaves. What is the function of leaves? It provides food, that is with the help of photosynthesis. It is a process by which green leaves make food, like food means glucose, using sunlight. Key components required for photosynthesis are chlorophyll, which are present in leaves. This is green color, which due to chlorophyll present in leaf. Then second requirement is sunlight. This sunlight gives the energy, and carbon dioxide from air, which is provided by animals. And last one is water, which is present ground, which is absorbed by roots. The equation is carbon dioxide plus water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. It converts carbon dioxide and water to the glucose, food plus oxygen, which is required for our respiration or our mm, life. Here we have stopped for our today's lecture. We will continue in next lecture for further topics. Please like and subscribe and join for next video. Thank you.